Good hustle, bud. Oh! No, don't stop.
For those times when your little slugger hits a perfect homer. The new Blackview DR750 2-channel LTE features built-in 4G LTE connectivity. Keeping you notified while always recording, so you don't have to let life's accidents catch you off guard. And when it's time to hand the keys to someone, well, Remote Live View lets you monitor your car from anywhere in real time. It's like always having a pair of eyes in your vehicle, no matter where it is. And hey, sometimes, well, things happen. With your LTE-connected Blackview, you can rest easy knowing that you're always capturing and saving video evidence. And the built-in SIM card slot means your dash cam is always connected with Blackview's industry-leading cloud services.